welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we are going over Granny's Lasagna, everybody, which is Granny's lasagna. Well, yeah, I call it lasagna. Okay, so questions was, why do I call it lasagna? Lasagna is something that's personal for me because everybody makes lasagna. But when I complete my recipes on lasagnas, I call it lasagna because lasagna has my personal touch to it. That's my name. That's what I call it. And we getting some t-shirts that say that. Just saying. But anyway, you're letting out all the spoilers. Well, anyway, yeah, we about to get some t-shirts and everything on Mama Soul Kitchen website coming soon. But anyway, okay, so what was the other question? Okay, so the other question we had was, how can we make this as a vegetarian style? Well, you leave the meat out of it. Well, of course. But, I mean, you guys can get really crafty at what things, they have so many things that are out there now that you can use. You can use tofu, you can use veggie crumbles, or just straight vegetables. It's still the same thing. It's delicious when you go by our recipe that's on our YouTube channel. Anything else? Well, they were saying stuff like, okay, how can it keep a man? I'm telling you, lady, get rid of the can, get rid of the freezer boxes, and make this lasagna from scratch. That's how you keep your man. Bam! Okay, follow us more on YouTube for a lot more.